Well, hi folks, peas are growing well in the gutters now, so we're on a bit of pea cam vision, so I'll just get these planted out in the pea frame over there and I'll show you how we do it. Oh, well, right then folks, oh, you can see, I can't see looking into the sun. I've got my gutters full of peas now. I planted these, sowed these about, I think just come up to 3 weeks ago, the start of April. Had a little bit of a sporadic germination, a few little patches, but it's not too bad. There'll still be plenty enough. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to slide them out slowly into this little trench I've dug out. I've added some blood fish and bone to the soil and just chucked a little bit into the bottom of the trench as well. So I'll start off with this one first, a little bit shorter. So in the past I've tried to slide the whole thing out in one piece, but it just doesn't work. So I find that just sort of breaking it off into about foot-long sections and then sliding each one out tends to be better. And if you've watered it, as you can see, it slides out quite nicely. So I'll do this in 2 bits. Yeah, there's still some little peas coming through now, just sprouting, so we should be all right. So again, if you water it, it does slide out, creates a little bit of friction, helps the thing slide out. Again, just this last bit. Slide them out, and what I'm going to do, if you can see, I've just pulled the soil out of the trench, just going to backfill it round it, like so. No need to firm it in, just give it a good old watering. And then jobs are good. So we'll keep going, do the whole row, just show you what it looks like. Did it once in a full row, 10 foot, and it was a right pace. Because when I got to the middle of the gutter, I was sliding it out about 6 foot. So again, just another, find a gap, it's about a foot there. Just slide her out. This one out the way. Yeah, so anyway, I hope people are getting through this coronavirus jobby and staying safe and keeping well, keeping themselves occupied if you're not going to work. It's a bit tedious, I must admit. I'm still going to work even though our shop's shut, so doing a little bit of work just to pass the time, get some stock built up, but apart from that, all in the same boat, but at least the weather's nice, so if you do manage to get outside, it's quite pleasant. So I'll swing this round again. This is not point going from the extreme. Yeah, so like I said, all it's just a matter of sliding them out in bits. I do find it works better for me because wouldn't be too bad this year because the soil's been really dry and it's been quite warm, but usually when it's wet through they don't germinate and they just rot, so it's a good way of stopping that. Another little section. I've got enough. I should have just about measured it correctly. Yeah, so like I say, it couldn't be easier. Get some going, keeps the mice from digging them up as well, for me, because we do have a lot of field voles and field mice and things around here. We'd love nothing better than fresh peas. So that looks about perfect, so I'm maybe a couple of inches short, but shouldn't be too bad. Just leave a little gap there. And we'll slide this final bit out there. I think we should be about full. I'm going to sow another batch at the start of April to get another crop, so take the gutters home and start sowing in a week or so. So that's those in, so what I'm going to do now is just give them a right good old watering in, settle the compost down into the trench, and then we should be good to go. We should look after themselves. So I'll give them a good old flood in it. A bit windy, it might be a bit windy on the microphone, but not a lot I can do. So that's that done, folks. Oh, gutter peas planted out. Should be getting a crop of those in about 6 weeks to 2 months, hopefully. So we're in, we're up and running. That's about it, folks. Stay well, keep safe, and I'll see you later.